Orec's just a great company to work with overall. They offer a ton of really cool products, everything that fits the lawn and garden, everything our commercial customers ask for. Orec came in here a couple years ago, showed us the product line in the summer, got a good look at everything that the sales rep had, well-built stuff, very simple, love the features of the tracks, love that they build a lot of the stuff in-house, they're not using supplier-made parts. The Cyclone Flail Mower, it's got 38 flail blades inside of it, cut 1 3/4 inch saplings, go through, and it just mulches the stuff up right behind it as you go and you cut. It'll cut all kinds of tall grasses, everything else. Another great thing is it's got tracks just like a lot of their other products, so it'll darn near go around anything you want to, go up different stuff, around ponds. It's real stable on uneven ground. It can go right through it.